guys, what's up? Skip Squad, it's Miss Brown again. Got a new skip fit tutorial to keep you guys skipping your best life. Don't forget, follow me on Instagram. You can see my handles there at Skip Squad Fitness. And if you're watching this on YouTube channel, just subscribe. Click below, subscribe, support my movement. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you a step that I call Jeje, aka Afia. You might know the lyrics if you're Ghanaian. If you had a hit song called When You See My Back Jeje, and this song kind of got me the vibe for this step. It's very, very simple, but again, it's quite challenging if you're not fit. You basically jump left and right, side to side, but you bring your hips forward on each jump. Want to see it? I'm going to show you about the skipper mode. Check this. So this step really checks on your agility. It helps you to strengthen it, and it's again about your balance, your rhythm, your full-on coordination. Now I'm going to show you with the skipping ropes. So watch this. Watch me with. Guys, that is the Jeje step that's going to keep you bouncing with your exercises, so give it a good try. Don't forget, follow me on Instagram, Skip Squad Fitness. And again, if you're watching YouTube right now, don't waste time, subscribe right now, join the movement, support it. You'll be the first to get my tutorials and know lots of interesting things coming up moving forward. As always, like I say, skip, dance, live your best life. Laters.